Welcome back to another very exciting episode of Modded Motors. Today we are doing tail lights for our Stelvio. The old style looks like this. They upgraded in, I believe, 2023, 2024 to this style, which is so much cool. It's a dark style. These are very expensive. If you want to buy these brand new, I think Alfissimo sells them for like $1,200. A lot of different places charge crazy price. I've seen them as going as high as $1,700, $1,800. But these are very cool pieces. I had no intentions of buying them, but our good friend Edmund is leaving the Stelvio QV game, and he just needed a pair of stock QV taillights, so I traded them, made a little bit of a swap, and I got these in hand. Super shout out to Edmund for hooking us up. I hope to see you in California, and if you're gonna be in California, if you live in California and you're gonna be there this Saturday, I will be there this Saturday. I'm gonna have all the meets posted on the community tab. We have a meet planned for Saturday, we have a meet planned for Sunday. Hopefully we can go link up with you guys. I'll put it up on the screen where we're gonna be at right now, so you guys can see it. But please, if you're in I don't go to California often. That's a lie, I kind of do, but I don't make it for car related stuff. But if you guys are in the area, please come and connect, say hi. We're gonna try to plan a pre-meet for just Alfa owners, so we can kind of like roll into cars and coffee together. But anyways, back to the install at hand. You may be wondering, why didn't you just show us the other taillights on the Stelvio, Ricky? That's because we've been the last week we've been, in order to trade, I had to send my taillights first, and then I got these in exchange, meaning I had to kind of ride without taillights.
We didn't ride anywhere.
We kind of been just chilling without taillights.
Your tape job?
My tape job. This was a really good tape job. We didn't want to let anything in.
Good tape job.
Pretty good tape. It's not a good tape job.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take off this painter's tape.
Wow.
I can already hear the comments. Oh my god, I can't believe we're doing it to his paint.
Oh my god, the paint's gonna fall off and the car's gonna explode.
It's okay, guys. This whole color's changing anyways. Don't worry about it. You can sleep at night.
They just stay up wondering about our paint.
Man, I wonder what happened to that Modded Motors new paint. You know, a lot of people ask me, somebody wanted to make a whole video on it, and I should probably, if I like my Giulia or my Stelvio more. And the honest answer is, it has been a miserable week without my Stelvio. It fits my lifestyle because I obviously have 2 kids, but I honestly, I'm a bigger guy, you know? I fit way more comfortable in the Stelvio, and so trying to fit 2 kids, your wife, all that, stroller.
Right. I mean, you don't have to, like...
My wife really is what takes up the most space. But no, it fits my lifestyle so much better. It kind of sucks.
It does kind of suck a little bit.
Not having this big thing.
Yeah, we had to go to the movies the other day.
For those of you who are looking for a how-to video, as you can see, we're doing things in reverse. I'm gonna try to explain it the best I can. It's not hard. It took me about I've taken out my interior way too many times. It took me like 10 minutes. It may take you like 20, 25. It's not hard, but I'll try to explain it. No, you can't tell me that wouldn't look sick.
Oh, that's looking clean.
That'd be dope. It fits the aesthetic a little bit better. It would fit the carbon a lot better. Yeah, I don't need them. I'm gonna go buy them. Go add it to my cart. Wow. You put those down?
Put them down.
This looks like a catastrophe because it slightly is. To take them off, you want to go inside. There's this little panel right here. You flick it off. Pew, pew, pew. Twist these 2 things, and this is gonna pop down. There's gonna be this bolt that's right in here, and you're just gonna twist it, and then your taillight's gonna come out. Now to put it in, we're gonna reverse that process. Sorry, I was in a rush to get these shipped out, so I didn't get to do what I would normally do. Beautiful. Alrighty, and now we're gonna slide these bad boys in. So it feels like it's supposed to go. Wow.
Yeah, those are lovely clean.
Alrighty, now you're gonna go back inside over here. Let me show them over here. See how there's a hole? We're gonna put this little bad guy through it. You feel it catch? I don't know if there needs to be any programming. I will find that out.
We turn on the car.
As we turn on the car. You will have these things in the way. I took mine out. I don't think you need it to take it out, but I did. So,
yeah,
your choice. All right, next side, this side, it's the same concept, but you need to get behind this. So the only way for you to do that is you have to pop open this lever. You're gonna see this right here. I got it with a flathead. You just pop it out. As you can tell, I damaged it. I was trying, it was a little pain. Popped it out. You take this screw out, and you just, you yank this out. And if you can see, there's gonna be a clip right here, which is this clip. I popped this clip out, and now I have access to that same hole that we needed access to. Ta-da!
Wow.
Okay, clipped in. Didn't make the sounds I wanted to hear, but that's okay. You guys see the hole in there? I'm gonna feel around. Is it locking? Is it locking? And then we're gonna righty-tighty it. You can't mess it up. I mean, you can, but I'd be very shocked if you did. Ta-da! Want to make sure that this liner is out on the other side. No confusion while your interior is getting wet and disgusting. We're going to put this little T30 back. Boom! You're dunzos.
Nice.
I believe they're T20s on each side, and they're going to be in this side right here, this side right here. You're going to untake those T20s, and everything else just held on my clips and just that's what we did. We yeeted it out.
Yeet it.
There is going to be this clipped in. I just unplugged it. It's going to be right here, and this part is going to fall off, which is this right here. It falls off. Okay, I'm going to pop this down. And then you're gonna untake your taillights. Ta-da! New taillight is already in.
Nice.
If you're taking it out, you would just push up. For us, we're sliding it in. First things first, so we don't lose it, like we just almost did. They're gonna be little 8 mils. The way that it braces itself is it's screwing into the taillight and bracing itself on the chassis. So when you screw in, like you can see the mounting points on the actual, however you want to call it, it only goes in one way. You can't mess it up. It won't even let you put it the other way. It's only one way. You lock it in, this thing's not going anywhere, all right? I know you guys can't see the before, but you can sure see the after. Wow! Still saying they're out?
Well, it says it and then it goes away.
So I think we're throwing in the code because we have to program them. So we're gonna go into body, CAN, proxy, connecting, yeah, whatever. You're gonna go to adjustments up top. You are gonna go down to brake lights, execute, Europe, okay, yes, all the way up top. You're clicking proxy alignment procedure and execute, and yes.
You hit the brakes? Are you? Oh, okay.
If you're in the DFW area and you need help with multi-ECU scan, you can always contact TCG, also known as 3 Cross Garage. Their information is going to be down below. They're the sponsor of today's video. and they can always help out. If you are not in the DFW area, you want to do remote services, check out Alfa Mods. Alfa Mods offers a service where you can do remote. And if you don't want to do any of that, and this video was not helpful, go check out Alfissimo, because all three of them answered my text when I couldn't figure this out. So appreciate you guys. Remember, Saturday, meet California, San Clemente.
I won't be there. The main attraction, the main event. Sending my assistant.
We got a few cool videos for you guys when we obviously were out there for a specific reason. I'm not gonna tell you what reason we're out there for. You'll see it when we see it. One more, I don't know. Let me know. Do you guys want to see daily vlogs? I'll be there for 3 days, or do you guys want to just see? No, I'm not gonna give it up to you. You guys are horrible at choosing. I'm deciding by myself.
I don't know why you asked.
I don't know. I asked, but then they take forever to respond. And I'm impatient.
Oh, we know.
We'll see you guys in California. Later, guys. This is it. Hopefully this was a how-to of the how-tos. If you're watching this and you're like, man, that wasn't a how-to. Well, you know what? There's a lot of other videos I did really good how-tos, and you should appreciate those. All right, guys? Bye.
You're so...
So it's one of the two. I don't think you can mess up beyond that.
No.
I kind of want to know if it worked or not.
Low key, I hope it does. I hope it does.
Okay.
Imagine the taillights are broken. Oh, I would cry, dude.
Oh my god, dude. I know.
I would throw up. Please.
Yeah, that's not the case. It's not the case.
My front collision went off too. I would assume that's because of the taillights. I don't know. I thought that was weird.
Yeah, it definitely could have been that too.